A forest, a place where the leaves whisper in the wind, and the trees speak in silence. The sound of birds and the flow of the river become an eternal natural orchestra. There, life grows in secret, and the trees rise as guardians of the ages. Birds chirp in the morning, singing the harmony of nature. Its wings swept across the sky, painting free lines in the blue sky. The beauty of its feathers colors the world with gentle beauty.
A small bird, enthusiastic in the morning with its soft song, flying nimbly among the flowers, looking for nectar for love in the day. Its nest, a neat work of art in a grove of leaves, becomes a place for a life story full of joy. The birds work diligently, building nests from fine fibers and leaves. With each leaf they choose, they build a warm and safe home. A place where life and love nest, a symbol of loyalty and dedication. Birds with their sharp eyes roam the branches, looking for insects and seeds. Its nimble beak becomes a magical tool, capturing every opportunity for sustenance in nature. With every flight and light tap of their feet, they dance in a world of curiosity and adventure.